Hello, hello, it's Monica from Crafting with Quilling Lady, and I hope you have absolutely fabulous day. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create super quick and elegant wedding anniversary card. I've got 7 by 7 inches card base, and using gold card, I created a square measuring 6 and 3/4 by 6 and 3/4 of an inch. I'm going to assemble them together at the front of the card. And then I had a look at my stash and I decided to use one of the digital collections from Artery Art. I absolutely love this color, and those lilies are simply perfect. So I cut the square into 6.5 by 6.5 of an inch. Again, I'm going to use my liquid glue to assemble them together. And using one of the most beautiful design papers from my stash, this pearlescent flower pattern card, I'm going to use a cutting die from my stash from Crafter's Companion. It is the Gemini series. I absolutely love it and I think it is super elegant. And I thought it would be perfect for today's occasion, which is 40th wedding anniversary. So I'm going to put it here. Have you ever created a wedding anniversary card? If you have, please let me know what color combo have you created. I was asked to create a personalized wedding anniversary card, and I really wanted to make it super special but elegant at the same time. So today I went with subtle colors. So what do you think about the color combo? I'm using that gold, beautiful pale green, and that pearlescent white card. Do you like it? And from my stash, I decided to use a chipboard for extra interest. And I think that puts all the elements together beautifully. I'm going to use my liquid glue, and you can always get the excess off when you assemble the elements together. I will be very honest with you. So it says 5 minutes wedding anniversary card, but in total, it took me 15 minutes to assemble it, which I think it is super quick. I really like quick makes recently, so I thought, why not? Now I'm going to use some cutting dies from my stash, and these are from Craft a New Design. And I use gold cut, exactly the same one as you can see as a border. I really like when all the elements match on my projects. Now I'm going to use my liquid glue and I'm going to put it at the back of the lettuce. And the trick here is that I'm going to use the curve from my chipboard to put all the lettuce, which I think is really cool. So very often we try to be as precise as possible with a straight line. But if you have a curve, on your card, that will make it super easy. That's what I did here. So as you can see, for me, it is easier to put a tiny bit of liquid glue than get rid of the excess and then put it on card. And now I'm going to use the alphabet die from Crafter's Companion. It is pretty old one, but I really wanted to have some variation. I die cut number 40 for the wedding anniversary. I'm going to put it on the card, and what's missing here? We need a sentiment. So with the gold letters, you can see these are the names of the wife and the husband for the wedding anniversary. So here I've got wedding anniversary sentiment, and I'm going to back it up on the gold card just for extra interest. To make it super special, I'm going to use some double-sided foam adhesive, super quick and simple. So altogether, the card took me 15 minutes, but I think the longest time I always take is to choose the designs, the color combo. I really like to personalize all the projects, and this takes me the longest time. If you are the same, please let me know in the comments down below. And I also wanted to tell you that very soon, actually starting on the 1st of October, I've got something very special for you. And I really hope you're not going to miss it because there are other crafters taking part in super cool collaboration. So stay tuned for that. Here, as you can see, I added some gold petals in the corners just to finish it off. And there is plenty of space to write your message inside. Super quick elegant and subtle cut. Please let me know what do you think about it. Thank you so much for watching and spending that time with me. Don't forget to like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're new, because something amazing is coming very soon. Have a wonderful day and happy crafting!